It's a little cloudy, but there should be no rain in the forecast. At least that's from what I looked at the weather. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing a full detail today, so I'm gonna be here at least 5 to 6 hours on this truck. Looks like it's kind of somewhat been washed. We're gonna give it another wash anyways. There's a lot of like some type of adhesive here or something. Hopefully this buffs out. We are gonna be doing the clay bar and the wax. Interior is gonna get a deep cleaning. It is a little rough, not too bad, but it is a little rough. A little shampoo should take care of it. Pull out the floor mats, pressure wash those, of course. Get rid of hopefully some of these stains. It's kind of difficult with the black interior in my experience to get stains fully out, things like that. But we're gonna try our best here. Something else a client was kind of worried about is the adhesive right here. It looks like part of the molding fell off where they took it off. I should be able to remove this. It's pretty caked on there, but I have a tool for that. I might charge them a little bit extra for this. I'm not sure, it just depends on how long this takes me, to be honest. So yeah, guys, go ahead and get started. One more thing, let me check the engine bay before I forget. Be doing the engine bay also, probably be the first thing I do actually. I remember how to open this. Yeah, I do. Engine bay's a little rough, not too bad. Nothing little pressure washing and scrubbing can take care of. So there you have it. Engine bay cleaned up. Got my drill and a special tool. I forgot what it was called. It's an adhesive remover, but it's got a proper name. So what it's gonna do is gonna make friction. This is soft rubber. It's gonna make friction to remove this stuck on adhesive right here. You can damage the paint if you're not careful. You gotta keep it moving, and you can't keep on there for too long and get it hot. This is why I get paid the big bucks. And just like that, some elbow grease, special tool right here, and about 30 minutes of time, and got all the adhesive off. Some kind of drape that I cannot remove. I try, but it doesn't really matter too much because we have the piece that's missing right here. They're gonna go ahead and put it on there. So I just remove the old adhesive. That way it's not in the way and it can be bonded properly. Just actually right here. Remove all that residue, that's just nasty. If you don't remove it right away, it will stick on the truck and make a mess. I'm out here clay barring. As you can tell, this truck is pretty dirty, in need of a clay bar for sure. It's probably never ever been done. There's a lot of overspray, little white dots. I got rid of at least 80% of them here in this fender. There's some spots here that were more difficult than others. All right here, already clay barred, leaving a lot of marring. You see all that? That's all marring because I'm going really heavy with the clay bar. I have no choice. The waxing, polishing should get rid of all that marring, at least most of it. So here's all the dots. They're all over. I don't know if the camera can pick them up, but there's a bunch of dots everywhere. I already did this spot, and those dots are almost gone. Looking a lot better. So we're gonna go ahead and go all around the whole truck and do the clay bar and then wax. Wish me luck. All right guys, I'm about finished up. Finishing up with the roof. Got the whole rest of the truck clay barred. That's what I pulled just from the roof, from this corner right here. So you can imagine what the rest of the truck looks like. Let's see what the results are looking like. Basically, my main concern is removing the marring that I left with the clay bar. And of course, bringing out that nice shine. That mirror finish. Got rid of the marring. There you go. So you see right here, I don't know if you camera, it's all the marring right there, all the back and forth movements from the clay bar marring. And then over here, it's gone. Of course, we're still gonna see some swirls or whatever. This is just a quick wax polish job, guys. Nothing crazy, no paint correction. So we have a big concern right here. There's all these marks. I know you can see those, pretty obvious. I think they should come off with a little bit of polishing. I'm gonna go ahead and do this spot right here right now to show y'all. So I just have to put in a little extra more time right there in that area. And it does look like it's coming off. It's taking some more effort. Probably have to put in some more polish on the pad. Alright guys, I see moment of truth. Remember, like just like that. All those marks. Kind of looks like a glue or something. So it's a lot better. There's still some here and there. That just means I have to put in more time with the buffer. I'm gonna show y'all the after when I'm done. Basically, it's all around the whole bed. It's pretty rough. I might have to get some compound out. But you can already tell the difference over here, the spot I did. So for the wax polish, I use a HD Speed. Works really great, especially like straight in the sunlight. It doesn't dry up all nasty. I have the compound. It's compound and polish, the 3D one. I'm going to be using this. It's a little bit stronger for this area that has those marks on the paint. Alright, so I just finished with the compound. Looks like I'm gonna have to hit it one more time and we should be good. Cleaning the carpet. Already got some shampoo on there. Cleaning and agitating. And then I'm gonna see and vacuum. This will burn the crap out of you. It's over like 120 degrees. So I'm steaming and I'm vacuuming at the same time. Therefore it's extracting. hell? Actually. Alright, fixing to do this side. It's a big old mancha right there. Just one right here too. We'll see what the results look like after. And there's the after. Looks a lot better. Those big old spots are somewhat gone. This one's gone completely. That one, obviously, there's still like a spot right there, but look at that difference right there. Shampooed all around. I just gotta finish up the front seat and the carpet, and we're pretty much good to go. Almost done with the interior. Finally done with the interior. All nice and shampooed, vacuumed, wiped down. The only thing I do have to do is put some dressing on the plastics, wipe down the windows real quick, and I believe that's about it for the interior, that is. Oh yeah, and the floor mats. Guys, if you're watching this, sponsor me. Got the nice little shine on the plastics, vinyl, and leather if there is any. Right here. It's good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put this thing on there. It goes right there where I cleaned up. I cleaned this off as best as I could. Made it as flat as possible. To go ahead and put double-sided tape and throw it on there. We'll see how this goes. So the plan is to obviously make it stick real good. So I'm gonna press down all over, press down on it real good. Make sure it's real sticky on there, and then line it up with this. These marks that are on there from the past piece. I think this might be a new one, or it might be the same one. I'm not sure. So I got a little strategy here, guys, from doing this over time with my own cars. I'm not new to this. So basically, I only opened up about a quarter and let the I guess the backing stick out a little bit on each side. So I put it on there. That way I didn't mess up the whole thing. I just would, if anything, would only mess up like the first little spot, little area, little quarter, and just take it off and on until I got it right. Which it looks like I got it right on the first try for the most part. So now I'm just gonna be pulling it. I don't know if I'm explaining myself pretty good or not, but I mean, you see what I'm doing right here. So I'm exposing the double-sided tape. Therefore, I'm not messing it up by taking it off and on and removing the adhesive power. So it looks like we did a good job here, hopefully. There you go. Looks good. Looks like it's stuck on there really good, so let's hope for the best. Don't want it to fall off on him while he's driving. It's good. Floor mats in. Here's some of the wash conditioner on them. I don't want them too slippery. So I am done with the detail. Well, we did a full detail. We did a exterior wash, clay bar wax. The paint was in a very bad condition, and now it's looking a lot better, as you will see right now. And for the interior, we did a deep clean, shampooed the carpet, the seats, wiped down, steam clean all the plastics. So let me show you what the end results. There you go. Truck looks much nicer. That paint is popping. Had a lot of overspray. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't get all of it off because it was a lot. It was all over the place. I got at least 80% of it off, if not maybe even more. The paint is nice and smooth, super glossy, looking a lot better. Put some tire shine, spray wax. I'm here in Houston's traffic. No surprise. It's about like 4:30, 5 o'clock. Anyways, I'm going home, finish up that truck. It was a bit of a challenge. It was a little hot today, hotter than usual for it being already fall, October, end of October. Anyways, that truck, it was quite a bit of a challenge. It was fun, but I'm definitely tired. Ready to go home, get something to eat, and just chillax. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I'm gonna try to upload more detailing videos for YouTube. I'm gonna try to be more detailed about it. I know I'm probably not doing the best job right now. I'm trying to get used to it. Also, you know, because it's just me, so it's hard to record and work at the same time sometimes. But thank you for watching, and please subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you. Good old traffic. You know where I'm at? Well, obviously, a big old sign right there. Never mind. I was gonna say if you knew where I was at, just comment below.